Have you ever needed to switch between tabs or screens in your Flutter app while at the same time persist your scroll position? For example, in my emulator, in my first tab, I scroll to certain position. Then when I switch to second tab and back to first tab, as you can see, I still remain in my last scroll position. In this video, I will show you how to persist scroll position in your Flutter app using page storage bucket and page storage key. Before we dive into the code, let me show you how it looks if you did not persist the scroll position. So every time you switch between tabs or screens, it will always start at the top. In my Flutter code, I have created tab bar with two list view. In order to persist scroll position, firstly, we need to create page storage bucket. This bucket mainly used to store the scroll position state. Then, wrap the parent widget of the tabs or screen widget that you wish to persist with page storage widget, and assign the bucket to the parameter. For example, I wanted to persist the scroll position of the tab bar, so I wrap the page storage widget above the scaffold widget. Next, in the list view widget, assign a page storage key for each list view widget. This key name can be any string value, but make sure it's unique. Now we have completed on the code side. Let's try it out in the emulator. So as you can see, when I scroll back and forth, each screen position will be persisted and I will return back to that position. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.